So a lot of people, when they think of ZEV, they think of pistols and the pistol market, and that's exactly where we got our start in. But with the acquisition of Mega and that combination, and the town over there, there's a long history of rifles at ZEV now. They just, at one time, they carried a different name, and that name was Mega.
My name's Alec Wolf. I'm the CTO and founder of ZEV. It just started as a hobby, and I would go to a buddy's house at nighttime and I would weld up the trigger bars and make some tweaks to that. And I had a drill press on my patio and grinding machines in my living room, and I would just, I'd come home and just pretty much, tinker and, make parts all night long. I definitely saw and was watching what was going on in the AR market. And when I looked at Glocks, I knew that, that had the potential to be very similar to an AR. And I think I was probably one of the earlier people to realize that. And I loved the Glock platform, I believed in it. And so we just, I focused all my energy at that point into getting to the point where I could stop modifying and start making and designing parts.
ZEV was born out of the competition market, and then we've transitioned over into a commercial market, and we're working on moving into the military market. With the end state being, if you can please the military customer, then you've got a product that is good for anybody else out there. I always use the analogy of, Tiger Woods and, his golf clubs. I can never make him work as good as Tiger Woods, but I want to play with the same clubs that he's playing with.
ZEV Technologies moved to Centralia, Washington in 2017. We were in California, but we decided to make the move. We had teamed up with Mike Miller from Mega Arms. We had used Mike Miller for a lot of our manufacturing, and an opportunity came up where we could purchase Mega and expand ZEV's capabilities. Since then, we've joined forces. A lot of the old employees are still there. Mike Miller's still running the machine shop, and we're very, very happy to be in Washington. When I started at ZEV Technologies, we had around 15 to 20 employees. Since then, ZEV has grown to over 100 dedicated employees that work hard every day to ensure that we not only ship, but we manufacture and we make the best components. But it's Glock components, AR rifles, or our OZ9. So the OZ9 is really the brainchild of Alec Wolf, our founder. When he started making aftermarket parts for Glocks, he always had a dream of one day building his own pistol. So the OZ9 was really lived in Alec's head for many, many years. The actual development time for the OZ9 was probably around 3 years from the start of development through to testing till the final launch at SHOT Show of 2018. The OZ9 has the accuracy of a 1911, it has the grip angle of a 1911, but it is a striker-fired pistol.